Unlike the original model, LIV 2.0 also requires professional installation, adding another layer of cost. So, is Thermacell LIV 2.0 the future of outdoor pest control? For homeowners who want a permanently installed, app-controlled mosquito defense system, it could be one of the most advanced solutions currently available. But with a price tag that rivals some major home improvement projects, the real question is simple. How much is a mosquito-free backyard worth to you? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart home and tech news. Imagine stepping into your backyard on a warm summer evening and not hearing a single mosquito buzzing around. That's the promise behind Thermacell's new LIV 2.0, a smart mosquito repellent system designed to protect outdoor spaces as large as 3,000 square feet. And unlike traditional sprays, coils, or bug zappers, this system aims to create an invisible barrier around your property. Thermacell has completely redesigned the LIV platform for its second generation. At the heart of the system is a new smart hub that can control up to 10 repellent units, double the capacity of previous versions. The expanded setup allows homeowners and even commercial venues to cover significantly larger outdoor areas. The system works by releasing a metofluthrin-based repellent through strategically placed units around a yard, patio, pool area, or outdoor dining space. According to Thermacell, the protection is scent-free, smoke-free, and EPA-registered, while also being effective against mosquitoes and even tiny biting insects known as no-see-ums. What makes LIV 2.0 particularly modern is its smart home integration. Users can activate the system remotely through the LIV Plus app, create schedules, monitor refill levels, and even use voice commands through Alexa or Google Home.